Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to withdraw money from Google Opinion Rewards. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So, to withdraw money from Google Opinion Rewards, you need to follow these steps. Step number one is to check your balance. So, you have to open Google Opinion Rewards app on your device, and at the top of the screen, you'll see your current balance. Step number two, meet the minimum threshold. You need to accumulate at least $2 USD in your account before you can withdraw your earnings. The minimum threshold might vary depending on your country. Step number three is to link a payment method. Google Opinion Rewards usually pays out through Google Play Credit or directly to your PayPal account, depending on your region actually. If you're using PayPal, ensure that PayPal account is linked to your Google account. You can link it by going to your Google Payments account and adding payment as a payment method. Step number four is withdraw funds. Once you reach the minimum threshold, your balance will automatically transfer to your linked PayPal account or added as Google Play credit, depending on your settings. If you opt for PayPal, the funds should appear in your account within a few days. Now, step number five is use your Google Play credit. If you've received Google Play credit, you can use it to purchase apps, games, movies, books, or other digital content on the Google Play Store. Step number six, check the PayPal account. If you opt for PayPal, log into your PayPal account to ensure the funds have been received. You can also troubleshoot. So if you don't see your earnings in PayPal after a few days, check that your PayPal account is correctly linked and that you've received the withdrawal threshold. You can also contact Google support if you encounter any issues. And that's it everyone. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!